Pretty soon we'll have to get this thing out and running. We'll use this to plant our cover crops and wheat, and if we do the canola thing again, we'll use this to plant that as well. So what we've got here is we've got 9 of these 10 outlet towers. There's 90 rows by each rank. So this is one rank here, got another rank there, has its own downforce controlled Precision's cedar force. It's not every single row. These little modules here read this adjuster. There's a sensor in that adjuster that tells how much force is being applied, and the computer will adjust it via this block. It'll tell this block how much more force that those rows need on them for this individual rank. What these funny things are air guard seed brakes, and what they do is they let air out the top here, and it allows the seed to kind of just fall down into the opening rather than being forced into the opening by a lot of air. So that's just a little overview of the air seeder. And this air cart is what will hold the seed. And at the bottom of each one of these bins is a meter in there that spins just like on our Mongi. So the meter will spin and drop seed down into these tubes. And then on the front of the air cart, there is a fan. We only run one because we only use a single fan. We only got one run, but that will blow the seed through those tubes under there. Gotta look out for these big A tires. Firestones, 1250s, and then the seed comes through these tubes, runs through the blue ones to the towers, and each one of these things here senses the flow of the seed through the tube, so we can tell on each individual row if there is a blockage. Come back out here and open it up and take a look. Here's the tractor and air cart right now. We're pulling the whole setup with a John Deere 9460R. We've got a Salford air cart. There's Mark in the cab. Salford air cart. There's the seeder. And I better go move my truck out of the way. It looks like on the next pass after this next one here, it'll be in the way. And that tractor probably won't stop too much for this little truck. Excuse me, Layla. No, don't get out. Come on, load up. There you go, get in the back. All right, now we are on the air cart. Bought this thing out of Canada. It is a little big for here in Michigan. But when we get into the field, it's not too bad, really. Just getting it up and down the roads is the problem.
guys enjoy your ride.